Welcome to Kriti's Corner. Today we are going to see a easy craft, a paper butterfly. First of all, you need some bright color papers. I have used crepe papers here. Then thread, glue, black sketch or a marker, a pair of scissors, 2 cups of 2 different sizes and 2 old unused visiting cards. First, I have taken the paper and kept the bowl to take the circle outline. I have marked the circle outline. Do it gently as it is a crepe paper. Then take the second sheet. The second one, a little smaller cup is placed and I have marked the circular outline. Now I have cut the marked outlines and got these 2 circles. A note for the kids, please get the help from elders. Then bend the first one. Fold the first paper into 2 halves and fold it in a zigzag way. Grease it properly and fold the other side. Fold till the end. Now fold it this way. Grease it properly and gently. Then fold it into 2 halves. Please make sure that we have the same size. Both the sides are in same size. Now repeating the same for the second paper. Now keep this closer, 2 wings closer, and here take a thread and tie it properly. I prefer woolen thread for crepe papers because it won't damage the paper. Put a knot. Do it very firmly. Now cut out the extra threads. Now butterfly wings are ready. Now we are going to make the body part. We have taken the old visiting card, unused visiting card. Place your finger like this and mark it. Now draw the head, then body. Then antenna parts. Butterfly has 2 antennas. Draw it. Then color it. Don't color the body completely black. Leave some white gaps like this. Now coloring the antenna. Now cut it. Now cut the body and keep it. Now take the wing part. Very gently open out the folds. You can use any kind of color paper. Kite making papers, any color paper will do. Follow the same procedure. Now we are pasting the body part with the wing. Hold it for a second. Now our butterfly is ready. You can do the same with different color papers and stick it like this in your walls, or you can use it for birthday wall decorations. Hope you all like this video. Thank you.